Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to record meetings on Google Meet. Firstly, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Start a new meeting or join an existing one using the link or meeting code. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen, then click the triangle-shaped Activities icon to open the side panel. In the Activities panel, click on Recording. This will bring up the Recording Options screen. Click the Start Recording button. A pop-up will appear asking for consent. If required, just click Start again. To stop recording, click the Activities icon again, then click on Stop Recording, then Confirm. The recording will be automatically saved in the meeting organizer's Google Drive. Just go to Drive, Meeting Recordings, then Folder. A link to the recording will also be emailed to the meeting organizer and the person who started the recordings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.